Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel. This is Vamsi Sai, working in Accenture. Today, I brought you a very important update for the year 2026 from Accenture side. So, this is about how to withdraw your existing application from Accenture database. Accenture brought up a news resolution in 2026 to withdraw the application. So, before going into the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Let's start the video. If an applicant tries to apply through Accenture portal and he receives a message that the application already exists even after several months, it indicates that his application is in the Accenture database since several months. Applicant, after reminding this problem and try to apply for the job again after 1 year or after 6 months, and he still gets the same message notification that his application is already exists in the Accenture portal. That means his application is not removed from the portal. So many people try to reach out to HRs by writing emails and other things. So even though from HR side, no solution is provided to these people and their application is not removed by the HR. In the previous video, I have made a video related to it. So in that also I said like write a mail to the HR, they are going to remove your application, but it's not worked a lot. By considering this, Accenture, in order to provide the employment opportunities to many people, it brought up a new solution right now. So if you follow this solution to remove your application, then you will definitely remove the application. Accenture, through candidate data request rights, provided a solution to all of you. Through candidate data right request in Accenture career portal, you find an option to withdraw your application. I'm giving the link to that place, and also I'm showing you all the steps you have to follow right now. Through candidates data right request, Accenture providing this facility. To come into this site, what you have to do is I given the link in my description. You go there and click on that link. You will directly route to this site. Now I'm not going into the site because of some copyright issues. I'm just taking some screenshots and showing you them. Okay, how to do the process. First step is after clicking on that link, you will enter into this area. See, candidate data rights. You will come here. In that, what they written is by filling out this form, you are able to exercise your rights as a candidate under applicable data privacy laws. For any other rights you may have under applicable privacy laws, please see your privacy statement for more information. If you wish to unsubscribe from my Accenture emails, please unsubscribe by clicking the unsubscribe link in the footer of the mail you received. So this is about the privacy statement, and also this is about some job notification related updates that you are going to receive from Accenture. If you're not interested, you can go down and click on, and you can get out of from this notification. Going to the first step, here it is given like I want Accenture to, and this option is given, and they are asking to select one option from the three of the below. So there is some one right down arrow is here. If you click on this arrow, you will get these three options. In these three options, you have to select one. So generally, if you don't want your Accenture application, job application in the Accenture database, you want to click on remove me from all recruitment databases. So if you click on this option, then HR will remove your job application from Accenture all databases. Means Accenture hires in different places, like it hires in Bengaluru, it hires in Hyderabad, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, Kolkata, all over India, and also from abroad also it hires. If you click on this option, it will remove your application from all databases. And the second option is edit my data in all recruitment databases. Whatever the data you submitted to the Accenture, if there are some mistakes like Gmail updations or your address changes or your phone number updates like that. So if you want to change in those things, means then you have to click on the second option. And third option is share data on me in recruitment databases. And the third one is share your data on the recruitment basis. Whatever the new recruitments are happening, if you want to share the existing data, you can share by clicking this option. But if you want to remove your data from all Accenture databases, you have to select the first option. That is remove me from all recruitment databases. After clicking this option, you have to scroll down the screen. Then you will go to this area. In this area, you have to give your personal details, like what is your first name, what is your last name, what is your current email updated email address, and the country, in which country you are living in. So after filling all these areas, you have to scroll down the page. So after scrolling down, you will enter into this page. Here what you have to do is you have to give a tick mark on this: I agree to use or processing of my personal information by Accenture for the purpose of fulfilling this request and in accordance with Accenture privacy statement. And there is I'm not a robot thing. You have to click on that, and if it asks you to spot the car or traffic lights or anything, you have to spot, and after completion of that, you can directly click on submit. So once you click on this submit means, then Accenture will receive that you want to remove your application from all the databases request. Then it will process further, and if it will send a mail to you immediately, you can check on that mail, and where up to where your application request is moved, up to which stage your request is moved, like all the updates will be given in that mail. Okay, this is the process of removing your Accenture application. Even after making your request via this application, if you are not seeing any results means, you can directly call them. They have given you a number. I'm displaying that number on the screen. Please note it down. Call to that the relevant team. They will help you in the process. Okay, so this is the Accenture given telephone number. You may also submit a rights request at 183322262351. So you can try to call to this number. They will answer to your query, and they will also update the status up to where your request is moved. And this is all the process. Updated solution that is provided by Accenture in 2026. If you follow the steps whatever I mentioned right now, then you can easily remove your application from Accenture database. People who have a lot of questions regarding this, you can ask me directly by following my CMA Vamsi Sai official Instagram page. If you follow and ask me any queries means, I can answer you there. Or and also you have to do one thing. Many people are just watching the video and commenting. So what I'm requesting you to is subscribe the channel and ask the question. Then I'll definitely answer to your queries. Okay. So if your friend also trying to remove their application and not find it any result means, then share this video to your friends who are in it, and give a thumbs up to this video, and subscribe to my channel for next Accenture update. Thank you. Bye bye.